Hello, are you looking for a university that offers Bachelor of Science courses? Come, enroll here at Bicol University.
Bicol University is the premier state university in Bicol region, founded on June 21, 1969, through the passage of RA 5521, as an institution promoting scholarship, leadership, character, and service as its core values.
We have 7 campuses, but we want to look forward on the campus where the Bachelor of Science buildings are located, the main campus.
The reason why you might want to enroll BS courses here at Bicol University are because they apply necessary scientific and technological knowledge and skills on one specific field of speculation. Formulate and conduct basic and applied scientific researchers responsive to national and global developmental needs. Advocate volunteerism and social responsibility to alleviate community conditions. Develop entrepreneurs' mindset and skills applying knowledge gained in specific fields to engage in productive enterprise.
We are BSCS students. Of course, we are BSCS students. Of course, ginawa namin itong course na to kasi marami daw pera. Hey! We are BSCS students. Of course, ginawa namin itong course na to kasi marami daw pera.
We're BSS students. Of course, akala namin may math sa course na to.
We are BSCS students. Of course, marunong kami mag-hack ng Facebook.
We're BSS students. Of course, marunong kami mag-ayos ng ref, printer, at washing machine.
A day in the life of a computer science student is often repetitive. Wake, eat, click, sleep. Regardless, our tasks are like art, requiring creativity and multiple approaches to solve different kinds of problems. Sometimes we just take a break or seek inspiration from other peers to help us overcome challenges. Many of us work late into the night, creating our own bustling city when the world sleeps. But what's truly remarkable is how staying in this field changes our perspective. We begin to question, seek to understand, and make better decisions for societal progress. It is a beautiful journey of growth.
Remember that BU is you. Bicol University is not just a place of education, but a nurturing ground for dreams to flourish. Whether you are embarking on a journey of computer science or any other field, BU offers more than just knowledge. It fosters resilience, collaboration, and a commitment to making a difference. Embrace the opportunities, conquer the challenges, and let your aspirations soar. BU is here to support you every step of the way.